Hi, this is Aunt Megan reading Pigs Make Me Sneeze by Mo Willems. Pigs make me sneeze. Gerald, what do you want to do today? I want yes. Yeah, what? A ball, a swim, a hat? Choo! Do them away. Sniff. Are you okay? I do not know. Choo! I cannot stop sneezing. Choo! Zing. Oh no! What do you think he's thinking? What if pigs make me sneeze? Achoo! What if you tried to sneeze more softly? Sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever, dears. But Gerald, no, do not speak. It is too late. Ah. Look, he has a little helmet on. What's gonna happen? Choo. Goodbye, Gerald. The cat can go see a cat doctor. Sniff. Are you okay, Gerald? No, I am not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze. And Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Wouldn't that be sad if you were allergic to your best friend? Choo! Great, now cats make me sneeze. Not funny. Thud. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. Have you had a cold before? A cold? Exclamation mark, question mark, exclamation mark. You are sick. I'm sick. He is so happy he's sick. Oh, thank you, doctor. Piggy, great news. I have a cold. Good for you. What happened? He got a cold too. Isn't that funny? So that was Pigs Make Me Sneeze by Mo Willems. He's one of my favorite authors, Mo Willems. And I'll read with you next time. See you later.